Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about Temu Philippines or Temu Worldwide Marketing. Right now, I'm currently using Temu Philippines because my address right now is supported in the Philippines. So right now, I'm going to teach you first on how to change your address moving forward. As you can see right here, there is English and you can change your country or region just by clicking this one. And you're going to get live here. So first things first, go to language and choose the language that you want. Even though I'm working in the Philippines right now or located in the Philippines, I can choose the language for English or Filipino. Now, for the country and region, you can choose which one you want. If you want to go to Spain or you want to go to South Africa, Sweden, Switzerland, this is depending on your choices. The currency will also follow the country and region that you have chosen. All right? So, still, I'm going to remain in the Philippines here, or for the sake of discussion, I'm going to change this one to the US. So as you can see right here, if you change your location, items availability, prices, shipping fees, and taxes may change, including items in your cart. So I'm just gonna switch to the United States for this one. And basically right now, as you can see, I'm currently using as a US on Temu. Okay? So how to start on affiliation on this one, or basically affiliating on Temu. I'm you can see right here that this Temu right here gives you the option wherein it has a lot of security challenges. So let me just finish this one. I'll get back to you. So right now this is gonna be the Temu. The captcha here are a bit challenging. So to get on the affiliation, go to the lower part all the way down until you see this one. You're gonna see under about Temu is gonna be Temu shop like a billionaire, and then you're gonna see affiliate and influencer earn a commission. Basically, if I click on this one, you're gonna arrive here. Now this is the part where you get your commissions. All right. So once you're in here, basically click on get started for this one, and then your Temu account will be asked to sign in. So let me just sign in for this one. I'm gonna go for my dummy Google account. I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. We have this one right now. So again, welcome to Temu. This is the affiliation. So what are the things to take note of this one? First, it's going to be the left side. We have the affiliate itself, what's happening. You're going to have the promos, the discounts, and the bundles. You also have your free gifts for new users. Also, on the influencer side for this one, if you're an influencer, you have established your followings and followers online. This is going to be beneficial for you. As you can see, there are hot campaigns for influencer itself. The available benefits for influencers are 20% commissions and 10% download reward. That's actually really good. So by just clicking this one, join to enjoy benefits, just take note you have to be an established influencer to get on this one. So next one, hot items. Basically, this are going to be the trending and most sought after items as of now. And the best part about this one, since you don't really have to sell to earn an affiliation, you just need to invite. So they have right now a new feature wherein you just need to invite. So as you can see right here, invite number one. If that invitee or your friend accepted your invite and started selling or affiliating in Temu, you're gonna earn $60 and so on and so forth. And I think this goes on up to 100 and more. As you can see right here, how to earn $60. Click on the details right there and they will explain you what's gonna be happening. Alright? That's gonna be really awesome because you just have to invite your friends, you don't really have to sell anything. Also, there's gonna be data center here, which is my favorite. You're going to see what's happening on your affiliations, on your items. You can track their performance here day to day, their account type, or basically the country you're selling to. It has a very detailed data. Now, going back on the affiliate tab right there, since we're done on the left side, let's talk about on the right side. The available here would be your income. Basically, this is your current balance. This is what you have right now. So, if you click on history, you have cash and pending. So since I'm just not doing affiliation right now, $2 is all I have for today. You can also join your rookie mission, ranking race, and referral race. As you can see right there, referral race gives you the option to invite your friends to start affiliating. That's actually really good. Now, for example, you're having a hard time, there's going to be a bug or error on your Temu account. There is a support option here. There is also a rules option and notice option right there to get you started. Now let's talk about how to get affiliation for free without any spending to market your products. So let's just choose an item first. I'm gonna go for hot items right here. And now just choose any item you want. I think this one right here is good. So for this one, you can either click heart to make it like and basically take note about this one to have your organization matter. And if I click on share here, all right? If I click on share, you're gonna see item link here. So item link is different from the one when you click it and open it, all right? Take note about that one. This link right here is different versus if you just click on item link here. So I'm just gonna copy this one first, all right? Basically just copy it. You can also open it depending on your choice because that link right there gives you the option to affiliate on that item. So this is very, very important. All right, so copy that one and basically go to Pinterest. I think you know where I'm going with this because Pinterest is a free website where you can market. And right now, Pinterest is very trending. Okay, so basically we're going to create a pin here. As you can see right there, I'm just going to type here or save from URL. So basically for this one, I'm going to click on this one. And let's see what it gives me out. There we have it. I'm going to add that one. So this one, we're just going to add the descriptions. I'm going to just copy this one as it is. All right. I'll go back here and basically look for the entire title itself. I'm just going to copy this part right here. Place it right there and tell everyone what is this about. So to get the description of the item, you just have to look on the things here. For example, this one right here, it's going to be refillable. I'm going to go with this one right here. Perfectly right there. And basically, that's it. Or, here's what's happening here. You can also ask ChatGPT to explain more on this product. I'm going to teach you how I do that one. So, I'm going to go here for ChatGPT. Right, this one. So, expand. Follow me with this, okay? Expand this item description so I can use it as a listing in Pinterest. As you can see right here, I'm just gonna type this one, everything right there. I'm gonna give it ChatGPT, and ChatGPT gives me the magic. So this is gonna be the description you're looking for and the features. I'm just gonna copy this one right now, paste this one to Pinterest. As you can see right here, it has already an emoji, so it's gonna be a marketing strategy as well. The ideality for this one. So it's basically doing everything with free and there's no payment for this marketing. And basically this one, the conclusion for your item should be placed right there. And I think I've overdid my description right there. I'm just gonna remove some of this. I think I'm good enough. Just make sure you have your Pinterest link for your Temu account for this one. And basically select the item here or board and click on save. Right, I'm gonna create a board here. And basically for that one, I'm just gonna type in here Temu, click create, and basically click on save. Now moving forward, I have this one as my pin. Now everyone who shops and likes this one can check on the link. As you can see right here, there is a visit site. If I click on this one moving forward, they will now check on the Temu Explorer, and when they buy it, I'm gonna earn commission. Just repeat the process, do everything you want, and you'll be good to go. Alright? So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.